Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, choose advanced, and then reset options, where you'll find erase all data, factory reset. And from here simply select reset phone. If you have some kind of pattern, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, screen lock meant. As you can see, I do have a pattern set, so I will confirm that. And from here I can select erase everything, which will begin the process. Now the process will probably take about a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.